Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the Snapchat app, then tap on the chat icon from the bottom. Your chats with all the friends will appear here. Select the person you want to call. Now there are two cases. First one is that the person whom you want to call is online. So if the person is online and has also opened your chat, you will see that person's bitmoji here above the camera icon. Now tap on the phone icon from the top. The call has been initialized. Now if the other person doesn't pick up your call and declines it, the call will end and a message will prompt that the user is not available to join. This happened because that person might be busy and hence declined your call. Second case is that you call a user who is not using Snapchat currently. For that, select another user, call them by tapping on the phone icon. You will see calling here, but the user will not be able to pick up your call because he is not online at the moment. But the user will see the message of missed call in the chat whenever he will open the Snapchat. This is how you can know that someone is busy on Snapchat call.